Kuoana katika jamii mbalimbali ni mojawapo ya yale masuala ambayo yanaweza kutusaidia kuhakikisha ya kwamba Wakenya wote wanapendana bila kuangaliana kwa misingi ya kikabila. Ni mojawapo ya njia ambazo tunaweza kuzitumia kuhakikisha ya kwamba zile vurugu ambao hutokea mara kwa mara kila wakati wa uchaguzi kwa sababu kiongozi ametoka katika kabila hili ama lile lingine zimeweza kumalizwa. Kwa hivyo I really want to encourage especially the young men of this country, those that are still on the market looking for potential partners and spouses, to explore possibilities of venturing outside their communities so that we integrate the country and we coalesce together as a nation.
What is at stake here is that you cannot preach harmony, you cannot preach integration without fairness. All that we are doing now is to give the National Commission and a teeth to bite. For example, they know how skilled employment are done in this country. They also know how job opportunities are also given securely. But they have no teeth. They have not taken anybody to court. So this is the time we gave the people their opinion. How can this be effective? For example, something came from church. Why do you need us during crisis? During prevention, we are not in those committees. So those one we are going to put into consideration.
We have discussed exhaustively where they also got time. They listened very keenly and they got time also to give their recommendations and amendments, because this is a requirement in the process of making a bill. So I really want to thank the people for availing themselves for this particular important bill that concerns them, especially when it comes to issues of cohesion or harmony in our country. And I really want to thank them, the women and people living with disabilities who are here, the women, the youths, and everybody, and the church. So we are really very grateful, and we feel like, you know, everything has arrived home, and we are going back with their recommendations as from Friday.
Kenya is a diverse country with 47 ethnic communities, and issues have been rising. As a Committee of National Cohesion, we have done institutional audit in different organizations ranging from business, employment, and other factors which affect Kenyans.
Report